Now it's recording. Okay. Dellen College Art Club. Henna tattoo.
Hey. Hey, great. What's up? I was telling Gigi, Stacy cannot get here. She's stuck at the street house.
Doing this today.
And she can't get
What?
out
Did
here.
I forget we were doing this today?
It's okay. What's up?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Yeah?
Want to show your
Nice.
tattoo to the camera a bit?
I like your nails.
Thanks, Vic.
Oh, do you guys
you.
want help?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to go, like,
Current president of the
tell
art
people
club?
about it.
Not getting you in, don't
Oh.
worry about it.
Oh, yeah, we've been having issues with the wind.
Yep.
I should have set that up a bit better. I should hold it out for a bit. Thanks.
Can I get a good run? But, yeah, sure.
Our next meeting is June 24th. Okay, it's going to be at 424, and then we're going to move downstairs to the library. I do need help the night before to set up the art show in the library.
Wait, when is that?
Thursday night.